when we were about to pay, his card declined. First date, can you imagine?
Known that you guys still be together years later, bro. Yo.
Hi there, my name is Thembeka. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And I forgot to say, abanye bangibiza Umfazi.KaMfana. So today, it's not, yesterday was Valentine's Day, today is not Valentine's Day, but what we have planned is to replay the first day when I met my husband. So the first time I met my husband was around July. I think July the 2nd in 2020, I don't remember. But we want to replay our first date. So our first date was, the first thing that we did, obviously I was staying in Pietermaritzburg and he was staying in Pinetown. So I had to travel from Pietermaritzburg to Durban. And then we had our tattoos done. Well, I had my tattoo done. He paid for my tattoo. That was the first thing that we did. The second thing, we went to watch a movie. And then after that we went to have lunch. And after that I left, obviously. It was amazing to spend time with him then. Even if after that we got into a fight, but we're here now. He's my husband. So I'm looking forward to that. Let's replay the day that we had, and I'm going to take you guys along. Ezu-2 uzofaka esitulini seminzi.
Seminzi?
Kanti iminzi awuyenzi ngepasi?
Isituli selontuza sechikini.
Usazothatha nje.
And then irepu.
Usazothatha nje nakhona. Just in case, if you want to add it in the stew. To fix my phone. The screen of my phone is broken, or it's cracked, and how that happened was at the gym. I threw a weight on top of the phone and then it cracked. Some other buttons were not even working. It was so hard for me to find the rights, for me to press the buttons. Yeah, so now we are here. I think it's going to cost us 550 rand. Mina ngivela ngabona ukuthi usentungakelo. Maybe uyena nje wale music. Oh no. Coco stained.
Just figgy.
With 1 minute to spare. Okay.
Yes, we're always on time, Baba. Always on time. What do you say? Huh? How are you?
I'm good, bro. I'm good, and you?
We hanging there?
Tell me what's at the lift, right?
Yeah.
We
had to wait for the lift.
At least, yeah, when
We had to wait for the lift. It declined.
It declined?
Yeah.
Oh, what were you doing? Were you paying for the movie?
No, we were eating at Spurs.
Yes. Oh my god, I didn't
Last
know.
week.
Yeah.
So it declined. Imagine after everything, yeah, it declined. But I think they had a problem with the machine, because I had to go and take it out
And it come back.
I thought he's leaving me.
Hey!
Can you imagine?
Oh yeah, then it's your first date, like, right?
Yeah.
So of course she has all reason to think, oh, this guy is gone. He bought so much ribs. Oh my god.
Connect na le obanyola yini o
Going that way, it's going that way.
is it going
That way, yeah. I think that's the way.
Yeah.
Because there's semicolons there. Who's getting all of them, man? Now that you put a tattoo here, there's gaps here now, and there's gaps here now. Yeah.
that's gonna be good. Once
Yeah,
you put
yeah,
something
exactly.
Then yeah, and then
Exactly. Legend. I beg you to do it. Anniversary tattoo, but just after Valentines. So crazy. Hey, who would have known that you guys would still be together years later, bro? Okay, let's go. Nothing new at all. Same old, same old. you broke the screen?
I was at the gym and the weight fell on me.
Then that's lucky you only broke the screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, could have cracked the entire board. Do it for the gram, bro, I'm telling you. Oh, but what a nice video that must have been when it fell on the screen and it cracked yo, that's a beautiful video, bro. I don't think it was recording. It wasn't recording?
No, it was just on the phone.
Oh, God, that's sad now. Here we go, bro. First number going in. I hope it feels good.
We are done doing our tattoos. Now we're on our way to have lunch. In years ago when we had lunch, it was at Spur, so we are going to Spur. We were just even talking about what we ordered. I think I ordered chicken schnitzel, but I don't think I want to order it today. And he ordered a burger. And another thing is, you know, when we're about to pay, his card declined. First date, can you imagine? Your card declined, and here I am. I don't know, I'm embarrassed, but it looks like their internet connection to the machine was not working, so he had to leave. I'm like, this man is leaving me with the bill, and is he gonna come back? Shem, he came back. Yeah, he came back. Such an honest guy. Apparently there's a line for us. There's a waiting list. So there's quite a few people that are waiting to get through to Spur. Also waiting. I think there's like 5 people before me, and it's been. Should we wait? Should we go to another one? Should we go to another restaurant? I'm not sure.